This video walks you through how to file crypto taxes with CoinTracker and TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening your tax return. Once your return is open, go to the Federal section. From there, choose Income so you can access the part of the return where investment activity is reported. Scroll down until you reach Investments and Savings. In that section, find Stocks, Cryptocurrency, Mutual Funds, Bonds, Other, with the tax form references shown beside it. Select Start if this is your first time entering that section, or select Update if you have already been there and need to add or review information. TurboTax will ask whether you had investment income. Select Yes to continue. On the next screen, look for the option to use a crypto tax service to import your cryptocurrency transactions. Choose that option so TurboTax knows you want to bring in your crypto tax data from a supported provider instead of entering it by hand. When the list of supported crypto tax services appears, select CoinTracker, then click Continue. TurboTax will then take you to the Connect Your Account screen. Take a moment to review the import steps shown there, then select Continue to move into the connection process. A CoinTracker sign-in window will open. Sign in using the method you normally use for your CoinTracker account. Depending on how your account is set up, that may be continue with Google, continue with Coinbase, continue with Apple, or signing in with your email address. Make sure you choose the same sign-in method tied to your existing CoinTracker account before moving forward. After you sign in, CoinTracker will ask for permission to share your cryptocurrency tax data with TurboTax. Review the authorization screen, then approve the connection so TurboTax can access the information it needs for your return. This step allows the import of your crypto transactions along with the related gains, losses, and other tax details. Once authorization is complete, wait while TurboTax imports the data from CoinTracker. This can take a moment depending on the amount of transaction history connected to your account. Stay on the page until the import finishes and your information appears in TurboTax. When the imported cryptocurrency data is displayed, review it carefully. Check that the transactions shown match what you expect to see from CoinTracker, and verify that the gains, losses, and other tax information appear complete. If TurboTax presents any remaining digital asset questions, answer those before continuing. After that, move through the rest of your tax return until you reach the point where you are ready to file. Your CoinTracker cryptocurrency transactions and tax data are now imported into TurboTax and included in your return.